If you want to add a PNG to your video in CapCut, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. It's a simple edit, but it can make a huge difference if you want to add a logo, sticker, watermark, overlay, or any graphic element to your project. And if this video helps you out, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. First, open your CapCut project so you're inside the main editing workspace. Once your project is loaded, look at the top menu and click on Media. This is where CapCut keeps your imported files and assets, so it's the first place you need to go if you want to bring in an image. Next, click Import. When the file window opens, find the PNG file you want to use on your video. Select it and import it into CapCut. PNG files are especially useful because they often have transparent backgrounds, which makes them perfect for overlays and clean graphic placement on top of your footage. After the PNG has been imported, you'll see it appear in your media library inside CapCut. Now all you need to do is drag the PNG down to your video timeline. Place it on the track above your main video if you want it to appear as an overlay. Once it's on the timeline, you can adjust the position, size, and timing so it shows up exactly where you want it in the video. If needed, you can also extend or shorten the PNG clip on the timeline to control how long it stays on screen. That's useful if you want your logo visible for the full video or just want an image to appear for a few seconds. From there, you can continue editing and make any final adjustments to make everything look polished and professional. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a PNG to a video in CapCut in just a few simple steps. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another CapCut editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.